Hello everyone and welcome to another new video, and today I'm glad to share that Binance BTC button is back, wherein if you win this particular round you can win up to 1 BTC. So what are the terms and conditions, how to go about it, I'm going to show you in the live demo. Before we can move ahead, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done yet. So let's move ahead and understand how to participate in this. So I'm going to be sharing this link in the description also, just in case you would like to read it out yourself or check in again. So you can see over here that Binance Bitcoin button is back. Hit the Bitcoin countdown to 0 and win 1 BTC. So when this timer goes to 0, let me show you where it is here right now. You can see this timer is at 57, 58, 57 over here. So whenever someone is clicking, it resets. So the activity is that you have to press it when it is 00. So the activity period starts from 23rd Jan until the time reaches 00 without interruptions, or 60 days after the button again has started. So basically once it hits 00 or until 60 days from 23rd, which was yesterday. So how to play? Basically you have to come on the activity landing page. As I mentioned, I'm going to share this activity landing page in the description. Then you have 5 attempts in total, and if you are not seeing your attempt and if it is disabled, please go and check your account verification whether your KYC is done. The timer starts counting down from 60 once you click the button. If another user clicks before it hits 0, the countdown will reset. So basically the moment you press a button, it starts a countdown, and if someone clicks in between, it's going to start again from 60. So to win the grand prize, you must click the button and have the timer reach 0 without interruption. That means, let's say I'm clicking over here. Let's click and see. I've clicked the button over here. So 58, 57. See, I've already lost my first attempt. Instead of 5-4, I'm going to show you again. I'm going to click my button. Left would be, from 4 it will reduce to 3 here. 3, you see, immediately someone else has clicked. So the thing is, this should become 0 without someone interrupting the same. So you can see right now I'm left with 3 more attempts. So if you want more attempts, what you need to do is first ensure you have KYC. Then there is a daily sharing task. If you share and invite friends to play together via the invitation link, you can get more chances. Then there are trading tasks over here. If you accumulate at least $100 equivalent in trading volume with any BTC pairs, or $250 equivalent on Binance Spot or Convert, or at least 500 equivalent on Binance Futures. So referral task also is there. If you click to refer a friend to Binance or Referral Pro using the link, and the referral has completed a first trade of $50 for this task to be considered successful. So this is what it is about. So let's go and try the remaining attempts over here. Ideally, I think to make to this particular round, I think you have to click on when it is least. So crypto runs 24/7, so the chances are low. So what I mean is, like today is just the second day, so there'll be a lot of enthusiasm. People are going to be trying to click it. So I would rather say somewhere around the 50 days to 60 days period is what you should be trying, wherein your chances possibly could be more. So let's do. I have 3 more attempts. Let's go once again. Gone. One more attempt is gone. One more attempt. I have only 1 left. You see, I have 0 attempts left. Now if I want more, I can share the fun with friends or get more attempts. If I click over here, you can see these are the various prompts which will be there, which I've already discussed: $100 trading, $250 trading, sharing task, and futures task. So probably what would be easy for each one would be sharing this task. The moment you click this, you can invite this to your friends. You can download this over here. I guess there's a download button. Yeah, there's scrolling here. Okay, yeah, this is your link over here. You can share it via WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, Twitter, etc. over here, and get more chances. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. So until the next video, take care and be safe.